this into my skin. It's almost always on my skin. And yeah, now I look like I've been to Barbados, guys. Drunk Elephant and Le Beige mix really, really well together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I want to be talking about one of my favourite products ever, and it has to be the Chanel Le Beige. Now it's right here in my makeup bag. I use this product a lot. And before I got to know the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Drops, I would be using this every single day without a doubt. Whether I'm fake tanned, not fake tanned, all of that jazz, you'll see this on my face majority of the time. However, I did fall in love with these Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Drops, and I have done a review of these, and I'll link the video down below if you want to check that out. I'm just about to take off my makeup, but if you want to see more review videos from me, please like and subscribe. This video is going to roll out like this, so I'll just like explain how to use this and what it is, and then later on in a few clips you'll see me apply the product in different ways. So one being me mixing it with my sun care to make a tinted moisturiser. Now before applying that as a tinted moisturiser, I do already have sun care on my skin. When you like keep on mixing sun care, it isn't as effective. Then 2, I use it as a bronzer, and 3, I use it on its own, and I also use it mixed in with the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Drops. There's quite a few ways you can use this product. It's such a versatile product, and that's why I love it so much. So inside here you can see in the tube, so it's an air tube type situation, I think. I don't know what they're called, but you just pump and then it rises as you go. And so inside there's this like liquid, and then it also has these beads, and when you pump it out you get this gel with these pigment beads. All you need to do is rub your hands together and it disperses the product like so. And that's why it's so versatile, because it's so lightweight, it's got no coverage to it. So this you can use to tailor your foundation to your skin colour, you can use it as just like a skin base, anything that you need. I wish they could expand the shade range a little bit more and be a bit more inclusive of more darker skins and fairer skins as well. That's like one of the only downsides to this product. It is expensive for what it is, but again, it lasts such a long time. This has been my ride or die for the longest of times. And you can see here, I have got backups as well. So when I go abroad, I normally buy one if I'm running low. So this is like, I'd say this will last me till May. We are at Gatwick and I'm just picking up another Le Beige. It lasts such a long time. Like one of these will last you nearly a year, depending on how much you use, how many pumps you use and all of that, but it lasts such a long time for me. When you go and get the product, it comes in about 5 shades or so. So I had the shade Deep. Now this works for me when I don't have fake tan on, and when I do have fake tan, or when I'm naturally tanned. It just depends on how much I use, and that will change depending on how dark I am that time of year. It comes in a box like this, and it's 30 mils, and then when you open it up, it comes with this little pamphlet, this leaflet of like information and stuff on like how you can use it. And then it also comes with this small angled kabuki style brush. Now I don't use these, I just tend to like forget about them, don't really use them. So when you take it out of the packaging, it just looks like that. Really nice, really fluffy, really dense as well, really cute packaging. So without further ado, let's see how the product applies to the skin. I always look quite horrible when I'm filming, like in the morning, and I haven't got any makeup on or anything, but that's just me, right? So I thought I'd just stick my eyelashes on, you know, get prepared. New year, new you. No, joking. Right, so I'm just gonna bring my hair back. We're going to the gym. It's really early in the morning. It's about 6:10. Today, I'm not too fake tanned whatsoever. This is like the last remains of the fake tan from New Year's Eve. We are a week in. This is the first week of January, and yes, I am still wearing Christmas pajamas, but that's okay. They're winter pajamas. Anywho, so I am sort of fake tanned, not really, trying to scrub it off. I'm not too dark on my neck, My face is relatively pale. This is how we're going to use it. I'm going to pump a little bit and mix it with my Piz Buin. I've already done my skincare. All the skincare is sunk in. I've also put on a decent amount of the Piz Buin SPF 50. So I've already done my sun care as well, and I've applied the Ultra Sun under my eyes as well. So sun care, skincare, all done, and it's been sitting on my face for about half an hour now. So now we're going to be actually doing the makeup. I'm going to go in with the Piz Buin. Right, about that much, right? And then I'm going to take a quarter of a pump of the Chanel Le Beige. Now I have the shade Deep. I'll just go closer to the camera. Right, so about that much of the Le Beige. Then we're just going to mix that together, and it's going to create kind of like a tinted moisturiser. Now I wouldn't suggest you just to plainly mix in with your SPF. Always make sure you've applied your SPF first before you apply makeup, just so you have a proper layer of protection. So it's all kind of like blended in now. You can't really see, can you? But it's created a little tinted moisturiser. Now I'm just going to be placing that onto my skin. And you can see, can you? I hope you can. You can see like the tint that is created. Now it's just going to melt into my skin seamlessly. I'm going to bring it quite high up under my eyes, and also I'm going to bring it onto my eyebrow area as well. So the great thing about this product is you can really tailor it to your skin, and you can just see it's just provided me with a lovely colour on my face to kind of match the rest of my body. I'm going to go and wash my hands. Now you're probably wondering, Caroline, why aren't you using the Drunk Elephant drops? I thought I'd just show you because I don't really see this product floating about too much, and I really love it. Alternatively, I would also use the bronzy drops as well. Anyway, so that is out on my skin. It's looking beautiful. Obviously, the SPF has played a big role in creating this dewy finish to the skin. This kind of gives you more of a satin matte finish to the skin, but obviously whatever you mix it with, it will kind of like be the same texture as that. So if you mix this with MAC strobe cream, you'd get a really nice, beautiful, dewy finish to the skin. Or if you mixed it with your matte foundation, it would like help to change the colour of that, make it a bit darker if you wanted it to be. So now I'm going to be using it as a bronzer on the skin. So I'm going to be taking like a tiny pump, like not even like a full pump of this product, right? That is a quarter of a pump right there, that much product. So I feel like you guys don't really get to see the product up close and personal. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like in this watery gel. It has all of these beads, right, that have colour, and you just blend it together, and the beads burst to give you this product. And a little goes such a long way, like such a long way. I'm just going to take what was on my finger, place it on my cheeks for a bit of colour. So once I ran out of my cream bronzer, and I was just using this. So then we could just put this where you would normally bronze. And then I'm going to take my angled brush. I really need a new one. I need to buy a new one. Right, and then I'm going to just tap this into my skin. So it's just going to give me a really lovely bronzed look to the skin, looking sun-kissed all around. And then again, we are using just one product, which is great. This is what we love. And then I'm going to take whatever is on my hand and keep blending. A little goes a long way. So a bit of backstory on this product. So I bought something from Chanel and I got a tiny sample of it. And from then on, I loved it. I really loved the product, so I went out and bought the product. That is the Chanel Le Beige, used as a cream liquid bronzer. Absolutely beautiful on the skin. really seamless as well because it just blends so effortlessly. And yeah, now I look like I've been to Barbados, guys. Right guys, so we chose to walk to the gym, so we're getting absolutely battered by the rain. Absolutely battered. Yeah, so we'll see how this holds on to my skin. We just got back from the gym. We really pushed ourselves today, so I did full body today, arms, legs, and kind of like HIIT at the same time. HIIT isn't my thing, but I was just like, you know, just testing it out, seeing how my body is moving and stuff, because I tend to just lift weights and do cardio at the end now, but yeah, I just wanted to see how my body moves. Anywho, we're back with the skin, so yeah, looking nice, looking a bit sweaty, but hey ho, that's what it looks like. It looks lovely. Skin looks lovely. Skin looks really natural. I mean, if you're looking for gym makeup, it's right here. Makeup's good, Jim. Ta-da. Are we missing any bronze? No, we're okay. I could have done a bit more tint to the skin though, because the fake tan is still there. But yeah, I would have taken off this makeup, but I want to show you how long lasting it is on the skin. And I've just had a nap. I've just fallen asleep. I'm so tired. It's currently 18 past 2, so we've had it on for a very long time. I'm tired. I want to take off my makeup now, but can't. So I'm gonna go downstairs and have a drink. I need a cup of tea. I want a cup of tea. I am super duper tired right now. It is currently 6:27. So I've had this makeup on for literally 10 hours, 12 hours, 10 hours. Why am I not mathing right now? Right, somewhere along the lines. My skincare is all done. I've already put on my sun care as well, and the Ultra Sun under my eyes and on my lips. Look at the fake tan. Oh, you know, like the camera is like over exaggerating this. It's not as wild as it is on my hands. This is actually insane the way it's portraying me like this. It's betraying me. The lighting is betraying me, guys. As you can see, I have fake tanned, and so we are going to be applying the Chanel Le Beige. So again, skincare, sun care, all done, sunk into my skin as well. So today we are going to be using it to its full potential. You'll be seeing it in its full colour. So I always take my palm, and then I think today is going to be about half a pump. You can always add more or less. Just go in with a little bit first, and then again going to rub your hands together because you need to disperse all those pigment beads like so. Then I'm just going to apply. You see me do this countless times. I always use this product. And then I blend it around my jaw as well, just to connect the tan and this Le Beige together. I feel like that's a pretty good like tint match, do you know what I mean? I could go in with a little bit more. It's raining today, which is not great. Again, I'm going to be having to wear my raincoat. I've just taken another quarter of a pump. Just gonna get that onto my skin as well. Make sure to always bring it down onto your eyelids, guys, and under your eyes, because if you're like me and don't wear foundation or concealer, then you want everything to be blended together fully. And right into the hairline as well, guys. There we have it. Oh, I love it. I love being tanned so much. In the summer, I'm always sunbathing. And yeah, it just makes me so happy. Serotonin activated, guys. Right, here we go. So you can either progress with the rest of your makeup, or you can... I don't have a darker one of these, so I'm not going to be applying this as my bronzer. I just don't feel as though it's going to work today, because yesterday it provided me quite a nice colour, but today it will, you know, kind of just like really like melt into the rest of my complexion. So today I'm just going to be doing the rest of my makeup as per usual. I'll be using cream contour and you know, the whole shebang, and then we'll come back and reconvene. Right guys, I'm ready to go to the gym now. This is the makeup, finished makeup, all done. Right, I'm gonna go. It is currently raining and it's really, 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 really cold. I am freezing. Right guys, so this is the skin now. I've come back from town and I've come back from the gym. It's been blisteringly cold and raining as well, but skin's looking beautiful, lovely. Right, so it's currently 5 to 5 and I'm going to take off my makeup. Yeah, I've had it on for a very long time now. So 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's about 9-10 hours, so I'm going to take it off. It started throughout the day. It's looking lovely still. Yeah, oh, I just love this product. Right guys, so this is my face without any like coloured blah, blah, blah. This is my face with just the Piz Buin on. I've literally got nothing to rest you on apart from Piz Buin. So I just want to show you how I'm going to be mixing the De-Bronzy drops by Drunk Elephant and the Chanel Beige together, because my tan is fading. It's on its day 6, so I'm just going to be taking some of the De-Bronzy, about that much, and now half a pump of the Chanel. Going to mix them both together. I wore this all day today actually. It's given me a beautiful colour on my face. And what did you say today, Kim? My sister said that my skin looked really nice. Oh wait, you can't swear. Anyway, yeah, so my sister said that my skin looked really good today when we were travelling. So I'm going to be wearing this out for dinner tonight. We're going to Harry's Dolce Vita. This lighting just isn't nice. Hotel lighting is just never nice, is it? It's mood lighting all around, and then kaboom, we've got this giant spotlight right here. Hang on, let me go and wash my hands, and then I'll give you a better look. Gosh, my cheeks are just so red. Where else can I take you? Yeah, my cheeks are super red. Aircon is on, and it's not looking good, but anyway, yeah, skin is looking beautiful, really lovely finish of the skin, and it kind of like matches the rest of my body now, which is looking really, really great. So yeah, Drunk Elephant and Le Beige mix really, really well together. If you're like me and you don't like wearing foundation and you just need a bit of colour on your skin, this is the perfect product for you. I've been using it for quite a few years now. Ever since I was in university, I've been using this product. But today, I don't have anything on my skin apart from some sun care and some blush and bronzer. Obviously I've got my eyebrows and eyelashes, but like as for skin base, I don't have anything on. I just couldn't be asked today. But I knew I was filming this video, but I just couldn't be asked. So I hope that helps with anyone that has any queries about this product and about how it applies and how you can use it. I personally love this product, as you know by now. So my opinion is completely biased, I'm sorry, but after using a sample I fell in love and I keep on repurchasing this product. This is probably my 3rd bottle of this product in my lifetime anyway, and it just lasts such a long time. And if you do try it, please let me know how you get along with it, and if you have any like problems, do give me a shout. I'm always here to help, and I'll see you guys in the next video.